This May, we are celebrating a very special person. Someone who's managed to get older again, despite all efforts to stay young forever. Yes, it's Mary Ann's birthday. And we've gathered stories, surprises, and some mild embarrassment, all wrapped in this video tribute. Let the birthday roast, celebration begin.
Mayan! Happy birthday!
Hi ate! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Tita Mayan.
Happy birthday, my mother!
Happy birthday, Tita Ann!
Happy birthday, Tita Ann. I love you. Hi, Tita. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Ann!
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po, Ate Mian!
Happy birthday, Ate Marian!
Happy birthday, May!
Happy birthday, man!
We love you!
We love you.
Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Tita Mayan.
Happy birthday, Mamita Mian!
Cumpleaños feliz. Cumpleaños feliz. Te deseamos todos. Cumpleaños feliz.
Happy birthday, Tita Mayan!
Happy birthday, Maan!
Happy birthday, Mommy Ann. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. Sasabuyon. Shake.
Hi, Ansot! Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita May! Ano maganda?
Tita Mayan. Happy birthday.
What comes to our mind when we hear your name? Sobrang Latina? Uber sa ganda? Caring. Beautiful. Nurse. And kind. Happy birthday, Tita Ann.
What comes to my mind pag narinig ko yung Mayan? Siyempre, unang-una sa lahat, nanay ko. Pangalawa, matigas ang ulo. Pangatlo, maganda. Pero mas maganda ako.
What comes to your mind when you hear the name Mayan? Nakakatakot. Pero mabait pala. Ganun. Pag narinig, nakakatakot. Pero pag nakasama, mabait. Saka laging nakangiti.
What do I remember when somebody mentioned your name? So I've known you forever, for more than 4 decades. And with certainty, I know that you are a woman with principle because you do not sugarcoat things. So you always say what needed to be said, and you will tell us what we needed to know, not what we wanted to hear. Because of that, you gain my respect. And of course, you always protect the ones that you love the most. Do not mess with them because, like a bull, you will strike. And I know you will strike hard.
3 words that describes Tita Mayan.
Jolly, prangka, and mabait.
Fun, confident, and caring.
Ano yung naiisip ko kapag when I hear the word Mayan? Number 1, sobrang caring na tao. Like, everyone that I feel like tingin niya, kailangan ng tulong niya. She's always there. She's gonna be there for you, whatever it is. Number 2, sobrang bait. Yeah, it goes with sobrang caring, diba? If you're not sobrang bait, sobrang caring. Sobrang bait. And number 3, of course, super pretty. Super pretty ni ate. As always, Pops Fernandez yan ang angkan.
Si Mary Ann, pag naano mo yung pangalang Mary Ann, medyo ang dating niya mataray, suplada, pero pag nakilala mo na, mabait na yan.
Kapag naririnig ko po yung pangalan niya, siya po ay mabait, mapagmahal at matulungin.
Si Mayan, akala mo mataray yan, pero hindi. Napakabuti ng puso niyan. Matulungin, masarap kasama, sobrang napakabait.
Ano ba na recall ko pag naririnig ko ang name na Mayan? Bully. Pero mabait at mapagmahal.
Nung naisip ko, kapag naririnig ko yung pangalan ni Tita Mayan, ang katakot. Mahigpit yun. Dati, masungit. Yung tipong mambubugbog ng tao. Ngayon, hindi na. Siyempre, nagbago na yun. Nag-iba na yun. Napaka-generous. Tapos, loving OA. Loving and OA. Hindi, joke lang, tita. Ayun. A loving and generous friend. And tita. And mommy to all.
Our unforgettable memory with Tita Ann is when we went to Central Mall, ate at Shakey's, and gave us our Christmas gift.
Tapos, unforgettable memory ko, siguro nung iniluwal mo.
Wow, naiilang ba yun? Ang lapit mo. Paglabas mo, ay, nilabas ako.
Siyempre, unforgettable memory yung pag may sakit ako, yung himas, yun. Lagi yun. Hanggang ngayon, pag may masakit sa akin yung himas, hinahanap ko.
Unforgettable memory with tita. Namali ng sasakyan sa Starbucks. Mali ng pinuntahan.
Hindi ko makalimutan sa kanya nung birthday ko, pinakain niya ako sa labas. And then, ikot-ikot kami. Saka, binili niya ako ng, nakalimutan ko, binili mo sa akin.
Naalala mo yung sa Antipolo ka? Mali, baby ka pa noon. Tinala ka namin ng mapa mo sa Antipolo. Si Mama Mary. Bless pa Senyora Divia.
Ang hindi ko pinaka makakalimutang memory, yung ngayong taon, syempre yung pagtanggap sa akin nila tito-tito. Yan. Napakalaking bagay na yun para sa...
Naalala ko dati mga kasama ko sa Tita Ann, mga binigay niya sa akin regalo. Love you, Tita Ann. Naalala ko nung pumunta tayo sa gateway dati, pinagpipicture mo ako. Mukha akong tanga. Happy birthday!
Hindi ko makakalimutan kay tita. Siya nagpakain sa akin ng okra. Galit na galit nung walang alis dyan kapag hindi na ubus yung okra. Ayun. Wala nung kumakain na ang gulay.
Yung unforgettable memories ko nga pala sa'yo, ibubulong ko na lang.
Ang hindi ko po makakalimutan kasama si Ate Mayan, lagi po kami namamasyal. Lagi niya po akong binipilihan ng mga kailangan ko.
Unforgettable memory, marami siguro. I feel like si ate kasi every time na na-hospital si Maxine, dumadalaw yan. Maski ako, pag na-hospital ako, dumadalaw siya and she checks on everything. I remember parati yung mga nurses, they would think na hindi siya part ng Cardinal Santos, and then the second time that they will visit, medyo they're already tiptoeing around her kasi they would realize that, ay, manager pala to sa Cardinal Santos. So, yun, si ate, always making sure that, yun nga, very caring nga kasi siya. So, she's always making sure na if you're nandun ka sa Cardinal Santos, talagang she'll make sure na talagang yung proper care is nandun. And I also remember si Tia Anday, bless her soul, tuwan-tuwa siya kay Ate Mary Ann kasi yung nandun pa kasi si nanay, dun, yung nanay ni Manny sa hospital. Tumadalaw dun si ate, tapos tinadala niya ng food, yung sila Tia Anday. So sila Tia Anday, parang tuwan-tuwa talaga siya na kay ate kasi sobrang naiisip sila during that time. So, nakwento lang to because I was not there. Wala ako sa Pinas during that time. Pero nung dumalaw kami kila Tia Anday, parati na hinahanap yan si Ate Mary Ann. Si Ate Mary Ann, nasaan na siya? Kamusta na siya? And it's one of the testaments ng kanyang kabutihan and loob.
Timayan, happy birthday. Never forget to pray for another year of your life and enjoy. Happy birthday. Be safe lagi. Bye. Love you.
Halos lahat naman ng araw na kasama kita, special para sa akin. And this year, pinaka-happy moments natin yung 3 to 4 days na movie marathon natin. Sobrang ang saya-saya ko nun na dire-diretsong bonding natin. And yung birthday ko last December 15, 2024, pahabol birthday celebration ko. Thank you, Antot. Pinasaya mo ko ng sobra-sobra.
Our wish for you is to have a long life, more blessings, and more birthdays to come. We love you, Tita Ann.
18th na ba? Or 28? Wishing you all the best, good health, and more happiness. Always take care. We love you so much. Ingat palagi.
Ayun, ang wish ko sa'yo, sana makinig ka na kay Daddy. Sobrang payat na po ni Daddy. Pakainin natin ng madami mamaya. Tapos, syempre, long life, tsaka maging masaya ka. Yun lang ang wish namin. For you to be happy. Ay, yun lang. I love you.
Birthday wish. Sana po tuloy-tuloy ang good health and more birthdays to come.
Ang wish ko ngayon, birthday mo ay good health at enjoy mo yung araw mo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Ann.
Love you.
I love you.
Ayun, happy birthday, tita. Enjoy mo yung day mo kasama sila Tikay na si Dap at si Tito Cesar. Stay good at saka stay pretty and sexy! Bye-bye! Bawi kami next time. We love you. Ingat lagi.
Bye!
Ayan, madadating naman ang edad mo. Wish ko sa'yo, sana healthy ka, bigyan ng mahabang buhay, at para masaya, di ba? Kasi hindi ako singin ng ganito eh.
So, pasensya ka na sa mga sinabi ko. Basta tandaan mo, andito lang ako. And I love you, te. I miss you. Bye.
Isa lang ang wish ko sa'yo. Good health. Ayoko nang mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Kasi pasaway ka. Alos lahat ng bawal, minsan kinakain mo. Kahit bawal. So, huwag ka nang pasaway. Ang gusto ko, mabuhay ka ng matagal. Kasi madami ang umaasa sa'yo. Marami kami na gustong makasama ka ng matagal. Kaya sundin mo na si Doc Cesar. Ang bawal ay bawal. Bawal kumain ng bawal. Okay? Huwag ka nang pasaway and stay healthy. I love you, Antot. Mahal na mahal kita. Hindi ko kayang mawawala ka or hindi ko kayang wala ka. Yun lang. Love you.
Okay, Med, this is our 102nd take. So hopefully I'll get this done with flying colors, but only for you. Happy birthday! So you're 54 now, but you still looks great. You're aging gracefully. I think that is the result of you doing TikTok 5-10 times a day. But if that is what makes you feel younger, then don't stop and just continue doing it, because you're doing great and you look great. So today I am wishing you a bountiful and happy day, and I am hoping that you're having a great day with the people you love, with your family, with everybody that you love and love you the most. And I wanted to wish you as well a good health. Remember that there's a lot of people that loves you and still need you, so I want you to take care of yourself. Happy birthday, man, and I love you so much. Again, enjoy! Bye!
I wish you all the best and have a great life. Enjoy your years.
Tita Mean, I wish you good health, more birthdays and blessings to come.
Have a wonderful celebration and always smile, Tita.
Blessings to come, more birthdays to come. Stay healthy always and stay fit. Mwah!
Well, ang wish ko lang naman ngayong birthday mo, tita, lahat ng binibigay mo sa mga tao, bumalik sa'yo ng doble. Kasi you deserve naman to be blessed more than what you're giving. And sana, gumaling ka na totally para humaba yung buhay mo at para makita mo din yung mga achievements sa buhay nila Dana, ni Kaina, ganun din ni Tito Sefa. Ganun. Yun lang. Happy birthday, tita. I wish you nothing but the best in this world.
Happy birthday, tita! Sana maba pa yung buhay mo. Gumaling ka na and maging happy ka lang palagi. I love you.
Wish ko sa'yo, ate, ay stay healthy and more birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Titan. Sana mag-ingat ka palagi. Sana umabang buhay mo. I love you. Palagi lang maging healthy lang and always maging malakas lang. Happy birthday, love you.
Sa anak ko, ang mabait kong anak, na mahal kami ng papa niya. Happy birthday.
Thank you po for your love and care sa amin. We wish you good health. Happy birthday! We love you!
Birthday wish, I think ito naman yung birthday wish ng lahat for you. And for you to stay healthy. Mahal na mahal ka namin, ate. We wish you happiness, health, good health, peace of mind, saka we wish you all the blessings that the Lord can offer because you have a very good heart. Some people may misinterpret the things that you do, pero deep inside, you're a very, very, very beautiful soul and a very generous and caring person. And we love you so much. And we pray that, you'll have many, many, many more years together with your family na ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo for yourself and for your family. Alam ko, ang gusto mo lang naman is mapabuti ang pamumuhay ng lahat kasama na sila Tita Lilia, Linka Montalban, lahat ng mga kapatid mo, pamangkin, everyone. And ang wish ko talaga is for you to be able to enjoy your life free of worries and always be happy. I love you, ate. We love you. Si Manny si Maxine hindi na nakag-greet because nagmamadali sila papunta sa work. So, I'm already representing them as well. So, yeah. Happy birthday, ate. Love you.
Mami, bago ako mag-video, iniisip ko muna kung anong sasabihin ko sa'yo. Tagal ko nag-iisip. Ano nga ba? Kung tagal na natin, no? Pero, ganun pa man, wala naman ako masasabi sa'yo kasi hindi ko alam. Anyway, mami, alam mo naman lagi ako nandito sa'yo, kami ng mga anak mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Sa birthday mo ito, sana huwag ka lang pasaway. Gawin mo na lahat na makakabuti sa'yo sa health mo. Kaya alisin mo dahan-dahan yung mga bawal na kinakain mo, ganon. Alam mo naman, mahal na mahal ka namin. Gusto namin ang health mo maayos lang gusto. Okay? Kailangan at saka ayun lang. Yan naman kita, alam mo naman yun. Bago tayo maging mag-asawa, alam mo naman na ikaw ay pinanalangin ko na makasama sa habang buhay. Panaginip lang dati yun. Eh ngayon, yung panaginip na yun, sa panaginip na ako nabubuhay doon, kasama na kita. Happy birthday, Mami. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Halos lahat naman na nasabi na nila eh. Ang birthday message or wish ko lang is pinagpe-pray ko na lang na matupad lahat ng wish nila sa'yo is matupad. And yung prayers din nila, syempre. Makain mo lahat ng gusto mong pagkain nang wala nang nagbabawal sa'yo. And mapuntahan mo yung mga lugar na gusto mong mapuntahan. And magawa lahat ng gusto mo. Yun. And proud ako bilang anak mo kasi ikaw yung mami namin. Yan. Pagaling ka na agad. We love you so much. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ann. Happy birthday na.
Happy birthday.
I love you.
Hello.
I love you.